question when an ice cream is given to you, and this ice cream is as shown into the given figure. Okay, this is just as you have shown this. Just you must have eaten some softies. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, a cone is there where the ice cream is filled, right? So here it's given that in the figure is as shown over here, and it's just filled till top. Okay, so into the top you can see some ice cream is filled like this till the top, right? Now the data which is given into this question is that the height is 10 centimeter. That means you can see here an ice cream cone radius 5 cm. So the radius from this to this, right, that is from this point to this point, this is given to you, right, till this point only, right? So this radius is given to you as 5 centimeter. Okay, I need to correct it, it's all not this part, you can see from here. Okay, and this will be the height, this will be the height. So the radius will be till this point, right, and this is r, and this is the height which is given to you, with the height of the ice cream is 10 centimeter, right? The height of the ice cream is 10 centimeter. So h is given to you as 10 centimeter, right? Now what we will do, we need to find the volume of the ice cream if 1 by 6 part is left unfilled. Okay, what we will do, we'll just calculate the volume of this ice cream. So just you can just see this figure, this ice cream is consisting of two solid objects, right? The two solid objects, that means on the top there you can see this is a, this is a hemisphere, right, on the top, right? On the top it's hemisphere, and on the bottom it's completely a cone. Okay, a right circular cone, right? So these two figures you need to see through your eyes. Okay, the first is, the first is right circular cone. Just assume it's a right circular, right circular cone. My sketch pen is finishing, so don't worry, I think you are able to understand. Okay, this is the right circular cone, and the second figure which is on the top is your hemisphere. It's hemisphere. So one is hemisphere and another is right circular cone. Okay, these are the two figures which are there into this ice cream, right? This part is, this part is hemisphere, right, and this part is cone, right? We just calculate the volume of this cone, right, because the volume of the ice cream will consist of volume of this hemisphere plus volume of this cone, right? And another part which another data is given and given into the question, that 1 by 6 part of the cone is left unfilled. That means if the shopkeeper is taking full money, he is just not giving you the full amount of ice cream. So that volume which is not given to you, that need to be subtracted, right? So that we'll do later on. First we'll find the volume of the ice cream. So what we'll do, volume of ice cream, I'm writing IC. Volume of IC is the volume of hemisphere, which is on the top, this blue color, hemisphere, hemisphere plus what? The lower portion, which is your cone. So this is the volume of right circular cone. Right. So what is the volume of hemisphere? The volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. You need to remember it, right? I will just show the derivation, how this formula is arrived, but in a later class, not here. Just remember this and directly apply. And what is the volume of cone? That will be added. That is, volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square into h, right? Now here this will be the total value volume. So what we will do, we'll just put up the values over here. You can see pi, you just put up the value 2 by 3 into pi into r cube. What is the value of radius over here? You can see from this point to this point, radius is 5 centimeter. It's given into the question, radius is 5 centimeter. So 2 by 3 into pi into 5 cube, because radius is 5. So this is the hemisphere volume plus what is the cone's volume? Cone's volume is 1 by 3 into pi into r square. You can see the radius of the hemisphere and radius of the cone both are same. That is 5 centimeter. Okay, you can just observe into the figure also. So it will be 5 square, right? And what will be the height of this cone? You can see the complete height from here to here is 10 centimeter. So the radius of here, the radius of 5 centimeter will be deducted from this 10 centimeter, and exact height of this cone, that is from this point to this point, that is from this point to this point, this is only left with 5 centimeter, isn't it? Right? Because this is complete height is 10 and the height of the right circular cone will be 5. So we will be using that height as in place of this h as 5, right? So here you can see 1 by pi by 3 and pi by 3 and 5 square is common in both the volumes, right? So what we will do, we will take common what, pi by 3 into 5 square is taken as common, and inside the bracket we are left with 2 into 5 for the from the hemisphere volume plus from the cone volume, 5 pi by 3 into 5 square is taken common, we are left with only 5, right? So just solve it. This will give you this. I am just calculating the total volume. Okay, total volume is this much, but mind it, the line given to you into the question, 1 by 6 part is left unfilled, right? Since 1 by 6 part is left unfilled, then we are left with how much part? 1 minus 1 by 6, which is coming as 5 by 6. So if this is the total volume, if this is the total volume which we are calculating, this is not the right answer. This should be, this is the total volume and we are having only 5 by 6 of that. That is the portion which is given by you to given by the shopkeeper to you. That is only 5 by 6 part is given to you. 1 by 6 is left blank. No ice cream. He cheated you. Anyway, you are smart enough to get that part. But anyway, just solve it. So pi by 3 into 5 square is 25, right? Then this 5 by 6 into 2 5 10 plus 5 15, right? This is your answer. This is in centimeter cube. This is your answer, but we will be solving it completely. So it will be coming as, from 3 you can directly cut this 15 in 5 times, right? So it will be coming as pi is 3.14, right, into 25 into 5 is 25 into 5, 125 into 5 is 625, 625, right, by 6, right? So this will be coming as, 3.14 into 625. So from 2 3 times, and 2 1 2 2 5 10 2 7 14, 1.57 into 625, right? So it's 1.57 into 625 by 3 centimeter cube. This is simple arithmetic calculation, students, but if you want me to do, let me do. 625 157, okay, 7 5 35, 3 17, carry 1 43, 25 1 31, yes. Then 5 to 6, the 5 to 6, so this will be coming as 5 7 5 12, 2 carry 1 7 3 10, 1 11, carry 1 8 6 3 9, 9 8 1 2 5, and decimal after 2 places, because here you can see 1.57. So 98 981.25 divided by 3. So this will be coming as 981.25 by 3. So this will give you the answer 339 326 3721 38, 327.08 centimeter cube. This is the volume of ice cream, which is not full, it's only 5 by 6 portion is provided to you, right? That is 1 by 6 is not given, it's left. You can see the question, if 1 by 6 part is left unfilled, right? In this way, this is the answer where we arrived. If you find it useful, you can like it, okay? It's your call. Thank you so much for watching, students. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.